You have probably heard many times that avocado is one of the best food for diabetes. In my country, this beautiful fruit is seasonal, which means it comes during a particular time of the year. After its season, it disappears from the market and it becomes very rare to get and more expensive. So this is the season and we have them all around. So I went to the market some days ago and an elderly woman saw me buying like a dozen and she approached me and asked if there is a way to preserve avocado. And I told her yes. So for you and for those who are not aware that avocado can be preserved, I am making this video. So the first thing I did was to wash the avocado thoroughly with water and liquid soap, clean from dust and harmful germs from the market. For you to preserve, you need a Ziploc or a zipper bag. You also need lemon or lime in order to keep the avocado fresh for a long time and to preserve it. I prefer to use lime, so I squeeze the lime in a bowl, or if you like, you can use the juice extractor to remove the juice from the lemon or lime. So I cut the avocado and remove the seed. I have my lime already squeezed in a bowl. You can dice your avocado if you like, but I prefer to scoop mine. Dip or sprinkle on the avocado, put in the Ziploc and freeze. I have the ones I have frozen for close to 2 months now, and you can see it is still looking very fresh and yummy. The joy of this is that I can enjoy my avocado all the year round with this preservation. You can also do so and enjoy your avocado. So go ahead, enjoy your avocado smoothie anytime, and you can also have your avocado pudding or use your avocado to prepare any other yummy recipe you prefer. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Eat better food. Diabetes is reversible. All you need to do is change your lifestyle. Life is good. God bless you.